Veranda Composite fencing is easy to install. And it looks just like wood. It's beautiful, and it never needs to be painted, stained, or sealed. Veranda Composite fencing is a technologically advanced and environmentally friendly mixture of recycled wood and recycled plastic. So it has the beauty of wood, but it stays beautiful longer and won't split, warp, rot, or splinter. It looks good year after year. Veranda Composite fencing materials are available as 6-foot privacy fencing and shorter Gothic picket and ranch rail versions. You can build composite privacy fencing in 3 colors: Jatoba Brown, Cape Cod Gray, and Heartwood Redwood. Privacy pickets are available with dog ear or square top pickets. The pickets can be arranged in a semi-private traditional arrangement, or a semi-private shadow box style, or a fully private board-on-board arrangement. Just position, measure, and frame up your fence with matching Veranda Composite 4x4 posts and 2x4 cross rails. You can also choose to face mount your cross rails on one side of your posts, or bracket mount the cross rails between the posts. And finally, a steel gate frame system is available, complete with latches and hinges that allow you to easily create swinging gate sections from 44 to 60 inches wide. Instructions for building are right here on the site. Veranda Composite fencing, the beauty of wood, but it never needs paint, stain, or sealing.